Hello and welcome to the Analyze video on setting run properties at dataflow level. Setting run properties at dataflow level is very similar to setting normal properties in the sense that the property values can be accessed by any node in the dataflow. The one big difference with run properties is that when it comes time to create a schedule for your dataflow, you can use the run properties in the schedule configuration, whereas with normal properties you cannot. So I've set up a dataflow already that has a couple of different JDBC nodes, and rather than manually enter values into the database user and database password fields, I can create run properties for the dataflow. This will come in handy for you when you need to change the database password. When that happens, you'll just need to change the password in one location. So I've added the steps here just to make things a bit easier. The first thing we need to do is go over here, click on the Run tab, and click Define. Then we need to go down here and enter the name of the property, and in this case it's dbuser, and hit Enter. A property type of string is automatically given to the property, which is fine in this case. Next we need to create a property for the password, so let's call this dbpassword, and hit Enter. Here we're going to change the property type to password so that it will be encrypted and it won't be visible to others. Then we need to go up here, click on the Configure tab, and here's where we give the properties some values. So for dbuser it's Postgres, and for password it's Yo. Next we need to click on the node, click on Properties, and in the Configure tab we need to scroll down, find the fields that we want to change, and add the properties to them. So for the username, we need to get rid of that and put in dbuser surrounded by this syntax. Next we need to do the password field, and because the password is encrypted we can't see what we enter into the field. So I'm going to enter it up here so that I know it's correct, and then copy it into the field. And then we do the same thing for the other nodes. Once that's done, we can select all the nodes and rerun them. And that's it. So to verify that they are in fact run properties, we can save this and exit. Click on Create New Schedule and click on Run Properties, and we can see them here.